Okay, it is quite chilly outside today in New England. It's 25, so I hope you come along on a walk with me. So, I hope to see you there. Okay, here we are. Ooh, that chill in the air, but it's so beautiful. Remember, every day is a gift. Look how beautiful nature is. I love the sounds of nature. The sun is out. Nobody is hardly here. Maybe one or two cars I've seen. I'm gonna go take this off-beaten path, which I love. I usually run here a lot, but today we're gonna walk it. So, my question for you today is, how bad do you want it? Seriously, it's the beginning of the year, the first quarter. What will you change? What will you do in 2025 that will propel you in a positive direction? Now think about it. Time goes fast. Always busy, moving, productive, right? It's so important to stay laser focused. Drown out the noises in the background. Focus on you. Focus on becoming better in whatever that goal is. That one thing. And you may not have all the answers, but in time, it'll just jump out at you. You have this burning desire inside of you that you need to do this. Listen to it intuitively. That is calling you. So, no matter what is going on, what is happening, it is all happening for you, not to you. Mindset shift. Oh, I have to say, it's so tranquil here. Listening to the birds chirp. It is quite blustery. So you can hear the wind. I don't know if you can or not, but so relaxing, peaceful. This is where I find my creativity, clarity, inspiration. Alright, we're coming out of the path and onto the main area. It is really pretty here in the summer months, fall time with the foliage. The sky's a little cloudy, but still beautiful. I'm such a nature lover. Can't help it. That's just me. Alright, let's keep moving on. So yes, no matter what is happening in the world around you, keep moving forward, keep pushing that envelope. You've got this. The world needs more encouragers, light bringers, change makers, way makers, whatever it may be. Just start, keep trying, keep learning, keep evolving, and keep on keeping on. So in 2025, what will you do? What will you change? Oh yeah. That wind is hitting me hard. Woo! Yeah, we're on the main path now. So I usually fast most mornings. I'll break my fast around noontime. And fasting is such a great tool to have. It's a whole different mindset, lifestyle. And yes, we're on the road on the way back home. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that walk. It was quite blustery. My face feels cold. So I'm back now and gotta get some other things done. Got my coffee. I'm running on coffee and Jesus. Make it a great day.